I'm bored.
Really? I'm not.
What are you doing then?
I'm counting my stamp codes
What are you doing that for?
for my children's university passport.
Sounds boring.
Well, it's not. While you're sat around being bored, I've learnt to play the drums, I've volunteered at a fashion company to save the oceans, and I've made loads of friends.
Where'd you do all that?
Told you, Children's University.
Listen up, honey. Can I have your attention, please? Are you ready to have the time of your life?
Children's University is back running in Wrexham and Flintshire, and it's better than ever. It's a charity that works all over the world to take learning beyond the classroom and make it fun for everyone. The Children's University encourages and rewards young people for completing extracurricular and volunteering activities. It works with individuals and organisations who offer lots of exciting learning activities in and out of school, in the community and online, so that all children have the same opportunities, whatever their background. And this is how it works. You collect stamp codes in your own personal passport by taking part in things like sports, rugby, dodgeball, martial arts, or you can do something creative like baking, learning to play a musical instrument, or being arty. There's loads of things to do, and the Children's University team even provide newsletters filled with activities to complete at home. You can even watch your favourite film and invite your friends round to review it. You can visit cool places like Explore Science Discovery Centre in Wrexham or Danger Point in Flintshire with your families or your school. Places where learning takes place are called learning destinations, and they're part of the Children's University network, and they have stamp codes to give out when you've done an activity with them. There's a huge list of learning destinations online, and they're all over the UK. Once you've built up just 30 hours of extracurricular activities, you'll get certificates, and at 100 hours, you'll be invited to an amazing graduation ceremony, complete with caps and gowns. And it's all happening on your doorstep. Learning new things has never been so much fun. You'll make lots of friends, you'll try lots of things, and you'll feel great about yourself.
What are you doing now?
I'm off to my graduation ceremony. The future is anything but boring. You want to try Children's University?
Hey, wait for me.
I'm coming too!
Find out more. Visit www.glyndŵr.ac.uk and search for Children's University. Or ask your parent, carer or teacher.